It is high time now that they stop, and do the right thing. Whether they are elected officials or not, they are not above the law. The law of the land reigns supreme.
You feel say that's why Mr. Sir runway and I give the deputy mayor the work for do.
I feel like he hearing you say it a come man and get up.
Yeah man. I think so too. All crosses.
Why? Them a go blame me now.
Yeah boy. But you do a good job, bro. I tell you that just about every time you talk. You do a good job. And I look for St. Mary right now too, Some of them somebody come out and talk for St. Mary. Because them have St. Mary Municipal Corporation too. And I just want people to come out and talk, man. Not afraid to talk. Come talk. That's so we're going to win the third term, brother. Because when I question when I want to ask Howard this morning, 2016, PNP before they were defeated by us, the Labour Party. They said they were going to reduce the taxes on goods coming into the country. 2025, them change them out and them say them are going to put, go again?
And electricity as well, which they don't have no control over.
All right. I know 2025, them say now them are going to increase taxes on goods coming in. So why them a change them out all the time, so? What good can that do for Jamaica? You remember?
They just try to find a policy to hold on to classic, see if we catch. That's all them do. They don't have no idea, they don't have no plan. Good morning,
None whatsoever. And I saw where Mark Golding this morning is trying to justify or he might try for pulling an out of the lion's mouth. That he might try though. With the statement where kids meal make yesterday. And last night in the platform in a Dujan in a Manchester, I said, yes, we're going to put on the tax there because we want to help the farmers. And then this morning, they might change him out.
I see him in Manchester yesterday. I don't see no crowd behind him. But anyway, I can't see him up on Instagram because I did I tell him saying can't sing in a Christmas, then block me again.
There's an author that will tell a man saying can't sing. Yeah. And it's like them select the stores where them are going on, when them are do them walk. I see it and I say, then this shabby man, two little PNP on the street, we are sell on the street and feel like say boy, then Lord and Savior come. No sir. It's not safe at all. People not run coming in the box here, man.
Honestly, they come like Jamaican people, them blind. Father look for them and say, man, the man not right it, brother.
Man come like on Romed, brother. Okay, that man.
You don't worry good food people there, brother.
Man, I was.
Classic.
Yes, dear.
Oh, this is my morning voice, the John. Don't pay this now, man. It's my voice when I wake up.
So yeah, man, I used to it.
Jesus Christ, Classic. Stop it now. I feel like me need to go back back into my who I am. And need to stop the 9 to 5 bullshit, cause now work out for me. I know me need some project.
What work you used to do again? Perhaps your night you usually working. What type of work you used to do?
Me not even not talk about it. They were a dole.
Up your night you used to work. What type of work you did?
I had a 9 to 5, like a legit 9 to 5 the other day. Me dey on sick leave now still, but me feel like
they don't have no back road where you come from, and I like.
I want tell us say, when me come from Kingston alone have back road. Anyways.
Them have a hip strip man, they name it after the great singer himself.
You see, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes, mix up.
Labor yard, what go on?
What go on, General?
But
man.
nothing. Me can't bother to work for them people. Yeah. Cause me feel like my boss at PNP, you know, that's I'm so fucking corrupt. But that's for another day, another time.
Man, them pass through my town, you see them man weak.
You did see I
What?
shake him and I run go back upstairs.
Could
Okay.
never. Because I
You see,
could never.
classic. You see, whilst these people were having people in their community that they didn't want to see, my community was filled with diplomats. Yeah, right down on my
Wow.
gate. I mean, like less than 5 minutes drive from where me live. Bro got an whole entourage it out.
Nice.
Trust me, it was a touching moment, but it was nice to see. When me dip on live and I watched the funeral service, it was very touching, but it was nice.
How dead?
Robert Russell, the Pier 1 owner. Never did he carry go Pier 1 and come over here?
No that. No, yeah.
No, bro, yeah, affect me sight. Sure. That's a classic. You ain't go me never no.
No,
But
you
the
never
owner
came again up here one. You just lock me up in your room.
you know. The point where you depend, you know.
Mm.
But yeah, he was laid to rest yesterday. So everybody and as a very strong support system of the Jamaica Labour Party,
Mm-hmm.
Andrew had to come out strong too.
A Pier 1 alone him own? What other business him own?
He has other businesses, but Pier 1 is the
The creme
headquarter
de
for
la creme
most
of the
of it.
businesses. Okay, good.
Yeah, because what happened is Sumfest, he's in partnership with Joe, the Sumfest. So well he was. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So Sumfest and Pier 1 was his. I don't think him deal with him picking them like how him do. Deal with Sumfest and Pier 1 like.
And if we can run in on that and capture it.
No, just a killer.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Claudian. Him sons them still very
Morning,
active.
everyone.
Wagwan live on.
You
Greetings.
you
Carl,
come
Wagwan.
back properly. Morning.
Yeah, some of them are classic.
Great.
One of them are Fred. Me there are Fred.
Why? She pregnant?
Classic
No,
and swear
man.
to God that me go ask
Okay.
him.
Yeah, man, me there are Fred for my little business car. Me are Satan Camber. They plan to
Jesus.
increase tax for my business because me
Nah,
a small business
nah, be
operator.
prep Levan, cause Mark Golding not gonna lose his seat and Dayton Campbell can't win the seat there either.
Oh, that's the only thing me kind of when me wake up and realize me say no, I can dream in a dream.
Oh shit.
Yeah, cause me I say no, me don't want buy things. Me as a small business owner, I buy things and carry and sell. Me have to raise the price.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes,
But oh God, man, can you imagine you're gonna put tax on rice, flour, sugar, cornmeal, basic items those, Lasco,
Every other basically tariff that go
milk
upon every
powder.
item, you know.
Come on, man.
It go
you
upon
see,
including cell
you see,
phone.
guys, what the PNP are trying to make we know is that, okay, them only say Irish and onion because of the fact that we produce Irish and onion. But if it is even only Irish and onion, then what are they going to do? The local farmers are going to jack up our price. So,
Exactly.
Carl.
in any cases, yeah.
Let me tell the Jamaican people this. That tax where PNP wants to impose is an illegal tax. If you put tax on Irish and onion, which is a farm produce, you have to put it on the farm produce that is produced in Jamaica. Nigel Clark highlighted that in his budget presentation. Because the PNP was eating out, and Nigel Clark came out and make we know, say, listen, there's an international agreement that we signed that if we impose taxes on any farm produce, any raw material coming into Jamaica, we have to do it to our own in Jamaica, just the same.
But
We have to have a free and fair market.
One of the things when I hear the man say, my understanding, is say like, give me that ban some of them thing there. So either way you take, if you even ban it or tax it, then we still have a problem because if you ban it, we not produce so much onion and Irish to feed the nation. So it will drive up the cost in any way you take it. So I don't know what PNP are things say, Look here, man, this is not no coincidence, Couple months
You know, the PMP, they don't go to school.
What are the levers? I don't know.
Yes, yes, I get.
Let me tell you something, guys. Remember a couple months ago, one of them popular man in the party, Dayton said he might put on a 1% on GCT for education and them shoot it down when them say the massive come. And the same thing, the current leader up here, I don't know. Have you tried to walk, trying to protect and
You
this
mean the dread? You mean a goat dread?
Yeah, the goat dread. And now Satan Campbell would come. And these are them policy. Because one of the things, guys, them just can't understand how come this government, you waste no new tax, but yet still afford to be able to do so much things. Them just can't understand it.
Carl, so they understand. They understand, But they want to make it look like no money in a country where they can put it in their pocket and put it in their friend pocket. So they make things seems different than their ulterior motive. They have a motive enough to take the money, put it in their pocket and put it in their friend pocket. So then thing and then take the money. People for them set up people and can say no money in there. And that's them plan,
Why? Me come here, me listen to newscast this morning, news item this morning, pan
Philip,
Cliff
morning, babe.
Morning. Pan Cliff Hughes program. Cliff Hughes say how much the government Mark Golden I talk about how the government now fix the farm road them and the community road. I pay a big road they want to fix because them are trying to get big money and something to this effect about kickback back. The government will get big kickback. Now Morgan come out. Believe the Morgan will run down a Clarendon there with you, down at your place in classic. Nesta Morgan. I said nonsense. He need to apologize to the contractors and the Ministry of Work because at no time, and this is true, at no time we have heard no scandal in the works ministry like road and works.
Somebody remind us how many farm roads were fixed by the PNP in their last tenure versus how many?
About 27. I saw 27 roads.
And how many is fixed by us so far?
Look here, man.
I think I was about 400 or something farm roads.
Look
fixed
here.
under this administration.
You see the slogan of PNP.
I don't have the correct number, but I have to check.
You see the slogan and this song where PNP did about juke them with this and juke them with that. We have so much things to juke them. You know what the latest to juke them with? I believe you are sure it classic. Juke them with JUTC in a Clarendon. Juke them with JUTC at St. Thomas.
All right. What on the call?
Are you that
all
sure
right.
it classic?
Yeah, man, I mean.
Sunday night.
We're glad for that.
Sunday night. It happened that Sunday night, I have to carry my mother to hospital up a Corner Original. I want to listen to me clearly. All who listen. Listen
PNP in a Corner Original lockdown. So
well, I know.
Hey, go here. Corner Original no lockdown. How the major hospital in the western region for lockdown. King got chuck to him, mama. Me can't bother with them and they line. That's all they do.
Well, let me finish the statement. All right, my camera mother go for Corner Original. She went drop and slip out her shoulder. Cara go get you do 2 X-ray upper Corner Original. X-ray.
Sure.
Upper Corner Original. Upper the place where they say now have no X-ray machine. My mother do 2 X-ray. One to see what happened to the shoulder and one go back to the doctor. 2 X-ray. Sunday night. This Sunday we're gone. So big up to the Labour government, Mr. Dr. Andrew Walness, and big up to Christopher Dr. Tufton.
Yes, sir.
So you see
Yes,
all
sir.
the PNP, them what the talks, you know, extra machine
Yeah.
up on
Yeah,
original.
yeah. You have first-hand information.
My mother,
Yeah.
Sunday night,
Yeah.
drop and lick out her shoulder, and me carry her go. So I don't know if they through them years, so me they come as a labor, then get an extra
Them
machine.
get a-
Classic, add me as moderator, please. Like
So,
me I get
my mother,
extremely
me carry my
upset.
mother
That
go.
little dunce you coming like he want me to tell him some nice.
Yeah.
Some choice
So big up
words
to
that me
the
not
Labour
tell-
government.
Me not have to tell nobody no bad that me not have to tell none of them figure do nothing rude or whatever. But my choice words them stick.
How get you up, Anna?
Anna, you have to
Don't
pay,
say
you
I
have to
got
pay
talk
me
about-
for the moderator, and you have to pay me.
Yeah, moderator. Make sure be the attack one day today. Attack,
Classic. All I want me and you go through in a life. Me. Look here. You see, my mother is a different case, miss. Cause you must girl pitney.
Alright, so we get rid of him.
Oh, you deal with him.
You know how long me want thing come down?
But
you know how long?
but you see, sometimes you know, you have to ask them if they want to come up in the box, although you know them now will come up. But sometimes
Look here, Carl.
man.
Carl, let me
I'm
tell
here.
you something. I said this to Angel the other day, and I'm going to say it to Classic. I am sick and tired of us allowing me not go live, you know, cause me too dark half a fool. Sitting there, what's she name? Philippians claims that she think me I did Christian. I am a very God-fearing person. But you see, when it come on to foolishness, me not deal with it. And my belief is you cannot go up into a PNP box when them live and talk nothing, because as you say something for back your party or our party, then kick you, then block you, them disrespect you, them
Then
do all
everything.
sorts of. Me no
True.
want in no live with none of them, brother. Me no want it, cause guess me what? You see, when them the worst thing you could do is tell a lie for me. Or tell a lie for somebody when
I
no.
still want
For a
Howard to
fact,
come
they a
over here
lie
and
that tell.
when I done ask him a
And that
question.
alone I go take me off.
Well,
Howard,
Anna,
Howard need to come back over here. Howard, we are sending call you.
Anna, when me is concerned, me not really have much time for PNP now. Me have an election.
Me off.
Me have an election for win.
Like, me not like it.
Focus on the election, the third term. So me not have no time for waste with them. Yes, if me and them buck up elsewhere somewhere, fine. But me now go look for them. If them coming on my turf, also fine. But me now go look for them, as me tell you. So me have a third term for it. Me not have no time for waste. My time is spent at the work these days. For when me live, West Kingston alone can't win the election. So me have to go upon the highways and byways and edges. That is where me exactly I don't know. We do some canvas all about. So that's where our focus is now.
Classic, Wednesday night me go on candlelight, right? No, Tuesday night. And it's like, what did mama cloth? You know, see me cut your cat. So come to you. Go on candlelight Tuesday, and that person, let me say, even though I love her to bits, but she is a PNP advocate, dieted. No. When me go, me realize say
yes,
as a PNP. No, I mean me really not gonna say that, because as me say, she was one of the very few good ones. Not gonna lie you. Do her shit, you know, but she was one of the very few good ones in the community. And when I got there, I realized that there were some calendars that were printed with her face and all of that. Now, me watch what go on, and I say, for no say, people love her so much according to them in the community. Some people when me not look for see, me never see them. And me talk about like all the Rasta boy, because I neighbor, one, two, as she bring him in our politics. So, Me did a look for see him, cause me did want dog him to you, see me did have a nice conversation for give him. And I me want to go talk. But when me not see I like him and then police come and tell we say we need to lock off and whatever. I heard a PNP supporter make a statement.
No sound bad.
No, bear in mind, No, you're not hearing joke yet. Bear in mind that community is led by Charles Sinclair and round this a PNP headquarters. And when me hear a man look for me and say, if the police them think them bad, before so, cause somebody I say for dead yard we go need one permit. Me hear one PNP supporter say, oh, first so we get Charles Sinclair for come pitch tent out of this. Me I say blood cleat. What are we on love use people? What are we on love use people? And don't get me wrong, No care what they do, no care what little Rasta boy do, he can't take the seat there from Charles Sinclair. But it's the audacity and the mindset of the PNP when we talk about ever so often. They not like you, they don't want to have nothing to do with you. But things like those where they're looking for the handouts, them a look for you, for stand up for them and all these things. Them run come. Him Africa come pitch tent out here so the police them leave we alone. Like, come on now. Like me tell us say it upset me to the core, but then me just say me lock me eye on a community there in a classic, and you know this. Me lock me eye on them. So when them attack, one time one of them come to me and I said to me, say, yo, say from your left, things not feel right, things are not the same. Must say big up uno come and come back here. No could have pay me not coming back. And a group of youth look for me and I say, miss, you need to do back something like that. I say, me nah do it. I make them no play now straight.
I'm to my other girlfriend. She still do things in our community.
Which one of them?
You wanna teach over school.
Why me no know? Me tell you, me no know classic. Me no business with nothing. I haven't spoken to her in months. Me no deal with nobody down there, brother. Me tell us I'm wash my hand clean after them. Me tell them plain and straight Tuesday night. Me say get
rid of Rasta boy and make you go back.
Me tell them, me say get rid of him and then you can contact to me.
Yeah, man, we get rid of him over community center.
No, me no want nothing with them, brother.
Number come give me. I'm talk to Dr. Chang.
You're going in there now, mix me up.
Send him more kind of SWAT team on him.
Done with them, man. When me go in at the community, the rated cup, I just don't have me mechanic. Me go astray, go up a Tuesday night. Stray. Done with them. Right now, me tell myself, say, me just need to put myself in a one position where if it means that I'm going to go into other communities and help them with their development, fine. But me nah go back there, so. I'm too wicked.
Yeah, man. So, as I say, we are going to raid St. Catherine, lock up Norman Scott.
Sure.
And see if we can beat him too. All him criminal activities in going with. So people now, man, Scott, they are prison.
Him reach prison or a jail him there. You know you have to stop it.
We as prison, straight prison you reach already. My thief.
But tired.
Straight prison for him.
Lebayad, me nah laugh. Classic too terrible.
But a 17 location them are targeting, you know?
Huh.
17 locations.
Me get lock off a while ago. What target 17 location?
At once.
Mocha is targeting 17 locations.
Oh, okay, Mocha. Okay.
Yeah.
At once.
In major operations across Kingston, St. Catherine, and Westmoreland.
That show you how powerful the JCF is right now.
People look on the side of the vehicle. What right on it?
What?
Oh,
What that? We can't see it neither.
SWAT. We have a
We can't
SWAT team in our people.
Yeah, man, we have a SWAT team long time. Yeah.
Make Norman Scott they try nothing. Making they try nothing. You know,
Man,
these
Scott
PNP
support
him bad man them up there. Murder for all of them. We all got Manchester soon, man. Manchester now get to you know.
So, Radio Jamaican TV, you not carry that news.
But because that's not good news for them.
Oh, no, good news that.
That's not good news for them. Only when the Prime
Having the
Minister.
leader unite and the Jamaican and the Labour Party and no good news. How
Yeah.
them carry the news when they and them workers all a demonstrate for money? How them carry them news?
I see them carry it, man.
CVM carried. But you
CVM
may
they
not watch
carry it.
CVM so long. CVM news are the same hours as CBJ.
Morning, Mr. Plummer.
Hey, classic. I truth here, I say. Come here, watch
Yeah,
the
man.
funeral go on, you know, the funeral go on with President Carter. I mean, I listen to it, I mean, hear the good news what you say. They really lock him up for you.
17 locations across
So him
the
get
three
locked up.
parishes, St. Catherine, Kingston, and Westmoreland.
I what the
Motor raid right now, along with soldier and the police and other investigative teams.
Cliff, you will get it yet.
And such man get locked up.
Wow.
And then tell him to swallow a key.
I must turn on my computer.
Classic.
I hope for good news,
Classic.
for classic.
Hmm?
For good news, you say, you know.
Such man get locked up and then tell him to swallow a key. So he now get forgot St. Elizabeth again.
I'll show where the key.
No, but last year, this time, you know, people, remember him there under investigation for a $2 million fraud, you know. Last year, this time.
Chief. I hope that lock them up. How much?
You can pull up an article. Why people have to pull up an article, them, man. And you're not going good enough, and then you want people to give you work. Go here for good, man. Come like a PNP.
When you want to understand, cause you.
I left him. I think I cost
Come
me
now,
just left
Philippines,
him.
come in our box, man. Yeah, so, Philippines is coming up soon. Read and tell you what go on.
Oh yeah, my love I say, man. To get good news.
And that me I no news reporter, so me now go take up that the work day.
To see who come up. What's here?
Good morning.
Morning,
Good
Philippines.
morning, Philly.
You want the Gleaner article to be read?
Wonder how for them one sound.
Yeah.
They left out nothing.
I only read the Observer article.
I could hear Observer.
Let me look. Okay, hold
You know,
on.
say
It's
Gleaner
very
left out
short.
the part, I say.
The Observer article is very short.
I could hear a long version then.
You know, say I long version I go have lies.
Yeah,
Let me
when
look
you
up
get locked up on
the
his
Gleaner.
swallow key.
Alright, hold on.
A man can rather your nationwide one.
Oh, hold on.
Let that take go here, up your problem that day over here. Agi.
The St. Catherine Municipality, the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation is at the center of a major search operation being conducted by several law enforcement agencies in relation to a multi-million-dollar fraud investigation, sources have revealed. The SCMC is now closed to the public as investigators conduct searches, one source revealed. The homes of several employees and persons associated with them were also searched during the operation, sources further revealed. The operations, which began Wednesday night and are ongoing, are being conducted at 17 locations in Kingston, St. Catherine, and Westmoreland. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, confirmed in a statement on Wednesday. The police, army, and the Financial Investigations Division are also involved in the search operations. The operations are aimed at executing search warrants at the various locations in connection with an investigation into allegation of serious organized crime, said Major Basil Jarrett, Director of Communications at MOCA. Yeah, that's the end of that one. Let me see if I can find nationwide.
Oh, them left out the part of them say making swallow a key after them lock him up. Left out that part there.
Problem.
That
Classic.
business word.
Classic. Classic.
That's there.
Behave yourself now.
But self-discipline I write something. Them always write negative stuff.
Yeah, them negative man, them now want to write the whole story.
Right.
Wonder if them gonna feel me a
Read, let me
gonna
read nationwide
card me
one.
after.
I should
Right.
read nationwide. Should read nationwide.
Yes, the nationwide says mass MOCA raid underway. The MOCA agency has confirmed that it is involved in a joint operation at 17 locations across the parishes of Kingston, St. Catherine, and Westmoreland. It says the operations are aimed at executing search warrants in connection with an ongoing investigation into allegation of serious organized crime. Nationwide News can confirm MOCA raided the homes of several members of the accounting staff at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. Director of Communication, Major Basil Jarrett, says the agency is unable to divulge further details at this point as the investigations and operations are ongoing. He says residents need not to be unduly concerned about the presence of the law enforcement officers in their communities, as the operations will be conducted in accordance with the agency's core values of professionalism, accountability, and integrity. The MOCA operations are being jointly executed with the security forces and agents from the Financial Investigation Division.
Alright, thank you. So this man me here for real, and so 3 members of the accounting team get locked up too. So
3 PNP.
3 PNP, yeah, 3
And that
PNP.
Yes.
they go ask no. They
Right.
fill like them up, man. 1 and 2 they fill like
And
them
throw
up.
away the
I
key.
make they swallow. No, they feel make they swallow like Keith, as the classic say.
No, but them
They know
men
they,
excrete it and then them use it and let out themselves. No, they must swallow it.
In the 70s, who would have better off now?
no hear my mother say if what they go on now when I happen Friday 70s the country that better off.
Come on,
Yeah,
I
but
agree.
with
I
no
agree.
sickening, man. But the thing is, what we need to understand is what them a do now is them a do them investigation. Finally them a take over something from the US. We're positive. And spend time to do their investigation. So you see when they come for you, then come for you and come for you strong.
Good.
Yeah,
$50
man.
billion well spent by my government.
Right.
$50 billion. Hot sauce,
My
what go on?
God.
Blessings, bro.
Somebody say shower. Somebody say in the comment where Mark Golden and data never keep press conference.
Yeah,
Them
well,
a
yeah,
go-
you're right.
It's a good question that when they call them call a press conference now. After all we are going.
By the way, Delvin, then as them come in, Norman has been mayor for like what? Over 10 years now?
Yeah man. Good while
From
now.
20 no, from 2016
so.
I'm a mayor.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
No, before 2016.
Oh, so
Because I remember
Norman has been mayor for 17 long
yeah man,
years.
so I
Yeah,
go
17 years.
17
We
years.
never
Yeah.
lose the mayorship when we win,
Exactly.
because I Portmore.
You Richard said it.
Yes.
Yo, Richard, send your request, yo, Richards.
You
And
Richard
do you
now come
tell
up, man.
people
You
say
know
you
that
come
already.
for my platform, come tell me if it's something I run away. But through me
No?
there here, I mean I see it. You can come see him here.
You don't want to
Come
pay
tell you why
people.
them people are thief and I go answer.
Yeah,
And
man.
then say they love poor people. Come
Me
defend
not
your
like
party.
here. Me not love here the spinning power with you, Richards.
Yeah, man, cause Howard try to spin this
Oh, you
morning, you
know,
know.
say, Mr. Spin
Come here,
Doctor. Me not
Richard.
like here. How I'm trying to spin with Dayton.
Yeah, man, him try it, man.
Oh, could I spin so till them drop dead? This is what the PNP decided to do, is to tax the people.
What about the lesbian one from RGR, the dyke, the cemetery? She said she never read out anything yet.
Man, I know
You
who that.
know who I talk?
Know them people,
The woman, what's her name, what? We talk
Thank
about,
you, sexy girls.
the one we talk about Bahamas economy better than Jamaica. That lesbian, that cemetery,
May I come down?
walking dead.
May I come down?
Where make you
Know
come
them
down?
people,
Oh God, me can't bother with the Alton. Alton said that cemetery that walking there.
Thank you,
Okay.
Cassia. Man, I know them type of people, my friend. Man, I know good. Well, I say the investigation has been going on for like a year now, you know, people. Good morning,
Oh,
everybody. Philippians, if you can dig up back the article there now where it is telling you about the investigation where that going at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, where the same mayor owed $2 million.
That
But around this time last year.
who? What's his
Philippians, you
name?
find it, man.
It's what the mayor named Norman Scott.
Okay.
I think the article that said $2 million owed by the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. It happened from last year, 1 year now. The police has been doing the investigation, and finally, all Diego them a dry into. Diego, you
Good.
get locked up. You used to collect for your brown envelope. Diego, you too. I see you.
But you notice what I go and say PMP at. I bring down PMP, you know see that?
Yes.
I look on the big building right uh can't forget the road name. The PMP council of the building and the building not structure proper, no paperwork, nothing about it. And I see him here, the Kingston, I have to bring him down.
Yeah, man, that a part of the
Okay.
investigation too, man.
So I have the
Yeah,
article
man.
here
Go
Go
ahead.
down,
from the
man.
Clear
Gleaner.
Go
out,
down.
you know.
Entitled St. Catherine Municipal Corporation owes Algal,
Alga.
Algalge, them call it, $2
Alga.
million. Yes, so the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation has been invoiced by the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica for a total of $2 million in outstanding dues. Chief Executive Officer Marvelyn Pitter made the revelation at the monthly general meeting on Thursday. Chairman Norman Scott said the funds being sought are for the period March 31, 2019 to April 1st, 2024. The money represents the fees paid by the corporation to Algaj for subscription, which represents 10,000 annually for each of the 41 councillors, Norman Scott said. He established that the fees are different from the $500 monthly individual subscription, which each elected councillor should pay to the association. Scott emphasized it is necessary for all members to be regularized. He said that the members will have more authority after the invoiced amount is honored. It was agreed that the payments will be made to fast-track efforts to have several issues resolved. We want to know how soon there is to be a general meeting of the Al-Gaj, as I am here for over 40 years and it is the first that there is no election for a new administration. Counsel for the Ginger Ridge Division, Ralston John Wilson said. That's the end of the article.
All right, so I see how no man start a thief for people and money. Get the people and money and then he got thief.
I have a comment under it though. I want to read the comment. Let me read it. By Mark Cho. He says, like so many parish councils, the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation is in serious need of an audit. Where is all the money collected in fees from the public going? These municipal corporations are very inefficient, slow, and clever, yet our laws place them in charge of approving billions of dollars in entertainment and development projects. Within these entities, there is one individual who has the power to determine if a project gets slowed, walked, shelved, or approved. These places have no oversight and no consideration for timely service to the public. Many investors have to take loans to fund the development projects, and every monthly, yearly delay at the hands of the municipal corporation adds more interest payments, sending up prices for home owners. People complain about the high prices in the housing market in Jamaica, but many, including the government, cannot seem to understand that inefficiency leads to delay, and delay leads to escalating prices for housing solution. On another note, how on God's earth can someone be at the council for over 40 years? Is Ginger Ridge a plantation? Yes. So that is it.
So where there somebody is working at that municipal corporation for like over 40 years. I when he start work there.
This ban.
No, so
When them go dismantle the parish council, the
let us assume so
municipal.
the person I work there from them at 18.
The thing in a classic, a lot of people don't understand that the other side, they believe in holding on to positions for decades. And no matter how things and time change, they not let it go. Because they saw them plant. And that is why me can't like them, because they don't give young people a chance, or the younger generation a chance to give off their ideas, to create better infrastructure for the company or nothing, because them just sit down there and move.
Nobody never tell me say the Spanish Town.
Huh?
Nobody never tell me say the Spanish Town Hospital over the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation.
How where you gone and I bed gone do? Come from and I bed, sir.
So I don't know why this so low.
Yeah, here you
A
know.
doctor just tell me say over the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation building the Spanish Town Hospital there. Over there, that is some of them mother birthing.
You know, say me can't bother. I'm just done with you.
Classic. Classic.
Well, go on, Pitbull.
You're good.
Pitbull, I want call you. The name there, but the other day, they ain't cuss you out.
No, man, you can't call me any name, man. And who want cuss me a straight JLP and nothing can change me.
I know that for sure. Yeah, man. So I go on.
I'm good enough. Last night I was at the meeting over Central with the mayor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we would have to talk that half the year if you want to hear anything.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. When me live, you can give me a link.
Yeah, man. All right, no problem.
Miss Curry, Judith Curry, where are you from, darling?
So, Cadet, when I know the 17 locations. I never say 17 agencies, I say 17 locations. And the fact that them can raid.
Oh, St. Andrew. Just look on your page.
And Dujan Virgin them down at Westmoreland.
Let's it mix up.
Jesus Christ. No.
You know, say, are you next? I get locked up? Yeah, I get locked up for your mouth.
If you get up and talk about them so every morning, I must be Virgin them. I have to Virgin them, you know. They have to love him down there. So you think so they might investigate the cemetery? The cemetery.
Boy, I'm so happy. I was there. But what I'm telling you the reader, but I'm not hear nothing go on.
Alton.
Eh?
You another one for
Yeah.
PF. Listen, you had me cracking up a while ago, bro.
We want to
Listen,
know about RGI.
no, listen. Why I get carried away, I ate a piece of cake and the wine too strong, so I got a nap. But you see, by the time I get up, it was you,
Yeah.
Alton, who had the floor.
Oh, you might watch funeral and hear good news.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You know, good
Carter
news.
funeral.
Listen, Jimmy Carter funeral.
Yeah, man, go on.
Well, you know, nice like what me here say I go on a Spanish town right now.
Now, me tell you, me jump in, hold on there. Me jump in there when me here. Let's say me jump in and come from the line same time for you, know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, me happy.
Yeah,
Listen,
brother.
me wouldn't mind I could have read my in Mark Golden house too.
I read the woman where Mark Golden pay for tell lie.
No worry
Exactly.
yourself, man. Remember me telling you, yes, this government now has finally taken up a good thing from the United States where they do their investigations first, thoroughly, and then they raid.
Right. Yes.
Over the years, as a younger person, me always a cuss and say every damn thing them pick up from foreign garbage and the foolishness. I'm tired of it. But now me see where in them a do. You feel me, mama, what I do? Me away a chop. But Jesus, this how man coming like a saint, man.
Mango too.
Yeah, man, they have been doing a
Listen.
good job, and
Listen.
me just want them take them time and do what them a do. Okay,
So
so when
listen
they
to me.
come for them, then go come for them strong.
Listen.
Classic. The one that Kingston was just gone in. Him a thief too. The mayor.
Every PNP organization thief in it.
All
Jesus.
of them are thief. All of them are thief.
One of my thief.
I'll make it Phillips my next one. He's not gonna prison, you know.
But them have a charge for them. Them have to
Classic tell me
resign.
feel like back me door.
Mommy said that.
Yes. Yes, them here.
Mama that bad girl,
Yesterday,
nah look.
I watch the news and say, people
Eh.
don't have Manchester, burn him out, me and tell no man.
Them a go down there. The people that go down there with Mark Golden.
You can't count the people them who walk with him, but no want him, dada. You can't count the people on your hand where I walk with him.
Right.
Nobody don't want to see him, man. Because pack up
Damn thief. He
and
mean
go
no
truck
good. When I'm doing
the night,
father,
man.
when I'm doing father, he mean it too. Him vote against him father. He
Yeah.
give the white dirty, the white man leader over him father. Yeah, a reaction I lick
But, but,
him.
but,
But me not
but
hear
you know,
say,
you finish after this.
hold on, me not hear
Yeah.
say. What she say?
What? Talk
Repeat
about.
it. Wait a while ago.
One talk,
Eh?
man.
Me not hear say that the boy Bunting want Peter Phillips seat, want push out the man to get the seat. PMP want run out the man out of the seat to get Peter Bunting because he want to run from party. Are true? You hear me? I want to the phone. Hello?
I am hearing you, Alton. I am hearing you.
Ask Philip here. Philip, you look into it because me I say he want to run in a Peter Phillips seat.
Every seat you want to run, I'm all lose.
I
Every
mean,
seat you going to.
listen,
Right.
me not put nothing over Bunting. Bunting we do it.
Yeah, because, yes, he want, but Peter not get it.
Yeah. You know,
Listen, I can't believe
Venetia.
Miguel Philip go
You
against him
remember
father.
Venetia Philip
Eh?
tell us that. You remember Venetia Philip tell
Yeah,
us
man.
that if PMP resign against themselves, what that show yourself?
True. Them hater, you
That
see, Jesus Christ. Them, them hater, me no know. No man take away them white fowl.
no man, I'm a hater because she know them belly. That's right.
Right.
She know them belly, you know.
Yeah.
But me can't tell you this. The election this year, man, no big seat for the PMP are going to swing, man. Watch out.
I want them only get one. We need a good candidate for Eastern, for thing, you know, Port Royal, Eastern Kingston and Port Royal.
Where you talk
We
Chris
need a
Gale
who
around?
can win that seat.
Where you talk Chris Gale, you know?
So me here, but we don't know. Would he win the
I'm
seat
not Chris
already?
Gale, man. One man did
What
come on. One
Chris
man
Gayle
did
no do
come on
politics?
thing that
Yes, we do know.
Philippians. One man
Yeah.
did come on Philippians live the other day, you know.
Yeah.
And say him at the care